Is your Amazing Spider-Man one lagging, freezing, or stuttering like crazy? Don't worry, this video's got your instant fix, and it takes less than a minute. Now, copy both DLL and INI files, and paste it on the Spider-Man installed directory. For the files, you will find it on the comment section. If this helped, drop a like, comment your FPS boost below, and hit subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gameplay tips. Let's keep your games running silky smooth.
Cross-species detected. Engage.
Scanning for all species. All species on.
How about this?
All species seek to destroy.
You know the score. Time for some discipline.
Oscorp. All species detected.
Here we go. Deal with this. Take that. Want some more? How you like me now? Okay, Gwen. I'm getting you to safety.
Thanks, Pete.
I need to get the others before this really gets out of hand.
Pete, I think we both know that this is already out of hand. Dr. Smythe will have some answers. Find him.
I'll try, but Gwen, I have to ask, what's gonna happen to you?
I don't know, but it's not going to be good. I'm infected, Pete. We all are. You remember what happened to Connors? This only leads to one thing.
But what about the antidote? If it worked before, then...
Connors was exposed to an earlier strain. You couldn't even call it a virus back then. It's evolved, mutated. There's no antidote to cure this.
What if I stop all the cross-species?
There's no question they should be stopped, but even if they are, there's still a risk that the virus will spread.
Gwen, stay calm. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you, okay? We'll figure it out.
I'll find Dr. Smythe and the others. Hopefully, it's not too late.
Wait, Peter. Take the Oz phone on the table.
The what?
It's the name of the Oscorp phone. It's still a prototype, but at least I'll be able to call you.
Okay. I'll get back as soon as I can.
Mr. Smythe, I presume. The one and only?
Did Smythe make it?
Yes, I got him and the other scientists to the quarantine. But they're all infected.
And the cross species? Where are they?
I tried to stop them, but they escaped.
Well, you caught me, the lizard. Why should these creatures be any different?
You have no idea. Gwen, you okay?
I don't know. I have to stay at Oscorp till we find an antidote. We can't risk spreading the infection to the outside.
I know someone who can help.
Be careful, Pete. Dr. Smythe is programming his robots to capture all cross species. That may include you.
Whoa! What is that?
See that? Instantly smoother swinging, faster combat, no lag spikes. You're
think I'm
ready
gonna
to
love this
enjoy
phone.
Spider-Man the way it's meant to be played.
As you can see, the creature has stopped its rampage in the center of the park. Now that we can have a good look, we can confirm this is not the same reptilian creature that recently terrorized Manhattan. Strangely, it's... Get to the helicopter!
Okay, Smythe. This is a little bit of overkill.
Cross-species detected. Engage.
Hey, come back! I'm pretty sure he's talking to you, right? This is not good! About that. What's wrong? Confused? Oh, feeling a little vulnerable. Robot's Achilles heel is on his back. How do you like that? Gotta move faster to get behind that thing. Stop complaining. Muscles are good for a growing robot. Uh-oh. It's now or never. Hit this guy. How about that? Gotta work quickly. Gotta strike while the blood's hot. Oops! Did I damage your guiding system, or was it something you ate? Stop this thing once and for all. Motorized joints help get around. How do you like them webs? Nice. Now for the other one. I'm putting an end to this. Any last words before I put you in the scrapyard? And here it comes. Open your mouth. Wider. Nice!
So, my fellow biologists are responsible. Those vultures. I wonder if Michael Morbius led the charge. Nice enough guy, but no one else seemed more interested in my research. Always insisted I focus on bats instead of reptiles for some reason.
No Batman out there, Doc. That's just ridiculous. There is a rat, though. And that rhymes, anyway.
I'll bet that one's particularly contagious. You see, it's not the new cross-species themselves that alarm me so much as the deadly virus that's resulted as a side effect. And you say it's infected half my former colleagues.
And Gwen.
And Gwen. And our only hope is what? Alistair Smythe and his band of killer robots? They'll destroy the city worse than the virus could ever hope to. There has to be another way.
Well, you don't think I broke in here just to tell you the good news, do you?
Wait. What are you talking about?
I'm gonna get you out of here.
Really? Spider-Man breaking out the lizard from his cage? Who's the crazy one here?
I'm through
If this
discussing
helped,
this.
drop a like,
Time to make a
comment
decision.
your FPS boost below, and hit subscribe for more quick PC fixes
You
and
must
gameplay
promise me.
tips. Let's keep your
Matter
games
what
running
happens,
silky
when it's
smooth.
all over, you must bring me back here.